Hi students, in previous session we have discussed about marketing, need of marketing different concepts like production, product, marketing, selling and socio-culture product concepts. So in this session we are going to discuss about in the marketing management topic marketing segments. Marketing segments. Let's start. First one, what is marketing segments? Marketing segments means market consistence of buyers and buyers differs in one or more respects. Buyers behavior is a complex phenomenon and understanding of economic, psychological and socio-cultural characteristics of the consumer and their motivation. So the understanding the concept of economic, first one is economic, psychological, socio-cultural characteristics of the consumer and their motivations also. Attitude, cognitions, personalities and perceptions can helps to discover new market opportunities. So when the new market opportunities helps to discover new market opportunities is the most important. Why? Because so in every business there is main common objective to increase more profits at the time of more at the time of earning more profits. The business maintain new market opportunities, so utilize the maximum utilization of new market opportunities. So when the business are maintained or utilize the new market opportunities, the business will go for higher profits or super profits of the firm. Okay, so next one, clearly and specific market segments. New market opportunities, clear and specific market segments. All markets are made up of segments, and these segments are made up of sub segments. Okay, next, segment is a consumer orientation marketing strategy. Consumer orientation marketing strategy. Consumer orientation means so proper information given to the consumer about the product, that is called consumer orientation or training. Okay, so marketing strategy, so it is a process of dividing the market on the basis, so it is a process of dividing the market on the basis of interest, need, motivation of the customer. So customer consumer interest is the most important part. At the same time consumer need and motivation, both three also one of the process. Okay, then market segmentation simply means dividing market or grouping of consumers. Market dividing or grouping of entire consumers. It refers to grouping of consumers according to such characteristics of as income, age, race, education, sex, geography, location, etc. These are the consumers' characteristics. So consumer income also is important. Age, race, education, sex, geography, and location navigation. These are the consumers grouping characteristics. Next, therefore, market segmentation is the strategy that subdivides the target market into subgroup of consumers with distinct and homogeneous characteristics means equal characteristics with a view to develop and follow a distinct and differentiated marketing programs for each subgroup in order to enhance satisfaction to consumers, and profit to the marketer or profit to the business holder. So this is the market segmentation concept. The next one, definition. According to Philip Kotler, given a best definition. So he is given a best definition for the market segmentation. Market segmentation is the subdividing of a market into homogeneous subsets of consumers, where any subsets may conceivable be selected as a market target to be reached with a marketing distinct marketing mix. This is the market segmentation according to Philip Kotler. So students, this is the marketing segmentation meaning and one definition given by the Philip Kotler ji. Then characteristics of effective segmentation. Characteristics of the effective segmentation. The main criteria of effective segmentations are: first one, measurability. It means calculated. Substantiality. Third one, accessibility, differentiability, actionable, nature of demand, general considerations. So these are the main criteria for effective segmentation in marketing. So the first one is measurability. The main purpose of segmentation, the main purpose or main uses of segmentation is to measure the changing behavior patterns of a consumer. So every business can maintain change of consumer pattern or consumer behavior for selling our product. So you have to maintain some changing behavior patterns of consumers. The size, profile and other relevant characteristics of the segment must be measurable and obtainable in terms of data. This is the one of the measurable concept. Therefore segment should be capable to giving accurate measurements, because of if they are giving not accurate measurements, the organization will not success, because of it's depending upon the measurable data. So data is accuracy is most important. So that's why saying, therefore segments should be capable of giving accurate measurements. That is the measurability. Second one, substantiality. So it refers to the size of the segmented market. Segments must be large enough to be profitable for small segments. It may not be possible for the marketer to develop separate marketing mix for such non-profitable segments. So non-profitable segment is not possible. So only for profitable, so to earn more profit, like business organizations only. Okay, so the business maintained size of the organization also. So business size is the one of the marketing segment. Then third one, the segment must be accessible, okay, or utilizable. Okay, so which means marketers must be able to reach the market segment at lower cost. So lower cost is the most important. So previously 10 years back we are using cello pens. cello pen cost is a 5 rupees approximately. 5 rupees is the MRP, maximum retail price. But in recent years we are seeing some 2 rupees pens. Okay, Bitco, some brand name is Bitco. Bitco pen, the cost of pen is 2 rupees or 3 rupees. They are very low cost, first thing. Second one, it is a use and throw pens, use and throw. So compare with cello pens, the 2 rupees pens is the best useful for smart writing and fastest writing, at the same time extra dark pens. So that is the best quality of the 2 rupees pens. And best quality, second one, lowest cost. So businesses, the product given the lowest cost, at the same time maintain some quality, at the time of maintain some quality of the product with low cost, that is the most accessible for market segment. So segment must be reachable by companies, salespersons, distributors, advertising, media, etc. So this is the segments must be reachable by company salespersons, sales executives. Okay, second one is distributors, advertising, media. Distributors, advertising, media. Advertising through newspapers, TV advertisement, television advertisement, or newspaper advertisement, cinema theaters advertisement, social media advertisement. So nowadays, my dear students, social media advertisement is the most crucial part in the marketing situation. So social media advertisement depends the marketing situation, so it's a most important part. Okay, this is the accessible. Next one, the segment should be large enough to be considered as a separate market, considered as a separate market. Such segments must have individually of their own, that it leads to different segments, individually or groups of. So it's a both are separate markets. So large scale separate, individuality separate. So these are one of the different segments. Next one, segmentation is required only if there are marked differences in nature of demand. So my dear students, one of the most important part, nature of demand. So if you want to choose a good business, first of all you know about demand of the product. If you don't know about demand of the product, the business will not be success. So that's why first of all you analysis of the you can analysis of the nature of the demand of your product. That is the main concept. And nature of demand refers to the different quantities demanded by various segment. Quantities demand, so product quantity, product demand, and lowest price. This is the main segments of the markets. Next one, each segmented market must be exhibit different in consumption rates. So consumption rates also one of the key part in segmentation of markets. So from another segment, so each segmented market must exhibit or express different in consumption rates from another segment. Okay, next, apart from the above characteristics, the segment must have growth potential, be profitable, carries no unusual risk, and has competitors who do not fight directly with the product or brand. So if you have maintained best or effective characteristics of the market segmentation, the market segmentation maintain lowest competition compared with others. So my dear students, this is the segmentation of concept, segmentation of market. Next one, need and importance of market segment. According to Seth, market segmentation is the essence of modern marketing. It is advantages to firm as well as consumers. The following advantages of firms is increase sales volume. Increase sales volume. So increase the sales volume means increase the sales volume means total of the sale. Okay, helps to win competition. So market segmentation helps to win the competition or maintain lowest competition. Next, unable to take a decision. Decision making is the one of the key part in management. That's why the so it's enable means accessible. Okay, permittable to take a decision, and helps to prepare effective marketing plan. Helps to prepare effective marketing plan. So helps to understand the need of the consumer. So we have understand the need of the consumer. That's why we are produce or manufacturing the products depending upon the need of the consumer. Okay, depending upon the need of the consumer, that is the most important part. Next one, makes best use of resources. Makes best use of resources. The resources are in human resources, raw material resources, whatever it is. So in marketing we are using best resources, that means raw material. Okay, next, expand markets. So our business or our markets or our product demand will be expanded or developed. Okay, next, create innovation. Innovation means using technology. So adapt a new technology. We are adapt a new technology. Why? Because so technology will be developed day to day. So last year onwards and this year, compare with last year and this year, so many technologies are there. So we are also adapted new technology. Okay, that's why the best is there. So at the time of adapt innovation system, so keep in your mind 3 points. First one is low cost. When you are adapt the new innovation or new technology, the product will be low cost compare with previous MRP rate, compare with previous max retail price, compare with. So at present lowest cost and maintain the best quality, maintain the best quantity, maintain the best quality and best quantity compare with previous years. That is the creates innovations. Next, higher market shares. So increase the market share value. Increase the market share value. Next, specialized marketing. Specialized marketing. So it is also one of the important. Next one and last one, achieve marketing goal. So achieve your marketing goal within the short time through the marketing segmentation. So these are the advantages to firm. So I will repeat the points, listen carefully. First one is increase sales volume. Second one helps to win competition. Third one, enable to take decisions. Fourth one, helps to prepare effective marketing plan. Helps to understand the need of the consumer. Makes best use of resource. Expand markets. Create innovation. Higher market share. Specialized marketing and achieve marketing goals. So my dear students, this is the advantages to firm according to Seth. Next one is advantages to consumer and last one is advantages to consumer. So consumer oriented. So consumer oriented or consumer introduced. Quality product at reasonable price. Quality product at reasonable price. And last one, other benefits such as discounts, price, etc. Discounts, price, etc. So my dear students, this is the need and importance of market segmentation. So I will repeat the key points. Characteristics of effective segmentation. So first of all, segmentation is the one of the key point in the marketing. Okay, so it is a socio-culture, psychological socio-culture characteristics of the consumer and their motivation, attitude, cognitions, personality and perception can help to discover new market opportunities. The most important point, market opportunities. So at the same time, according to Philip Kotler, segmentation is the subdividing of a marketing into homogeneous subsets of consumers where any subsets may conceivable be selected as a market target to be reached with distinct marketing mix. So my dear students, characteristics of effective segments, this is the most important question in semester examination. So the main criteria of effective segmentation, first one is measurability, sustainability, substantiability, accessibility, differentiability, actionable, nature of demand, general considerations. So these are the effective segments are used. So first one, measurability. Measurability means size, profile and other relevant characteristics of the segment must be measurable and obtainable in terms of data. Therefore, segments should be capable of giving accurate measurements. Okay, substantiality refers to the size of the segmented market. Segments must be large enough to be profitable for small segments. It may not be possible for the marketer to develop separate marketing mix for such non-profitable segments. Okay, next one, accessibility. The segments must be accessible. Accessible means useful. So which means marketers must be able to reach the market segment at lower cost. Segments must be reachable by companies, salesperson, distributors, advertising media. Next one, the segment should be large enough to be considered as a separate market. The segment must have individuality of their own so that it leads to different segments. Segments is required only if there are marked differences in the nature of demand. So product demand is the one of the important part in marketing successful. Nature of demand refers to the different quantities demanded by various segments. Each segment market must exhibit difference in consumption rates from other segment. Apart from above the characteristics, the segments must have growth potential, be profitable, carries no unusual risk, and has competitors who do not fight directly with the product or brand. So, my dear students, this is the segmentation characteristics of effective segmentation and need and importance of market segmentation to firms and consumers. Okay, thank you, one and all.